The C-5M Super Galaxy can carry 2 M1 Abrams tanks, 6 helicopters, or 8 standard school buses at once. But how does this massive capability stack up against Russia's largest military transport aircraft? We'll explore the technological marvels that give the U.S. Air Force its edge in the skies. Welcome to a new video. Today we're uncovering how the U.S. Air Force evolved into a dominant force, from groundbreaking innovations to futuristic tech. Don't forget to subscribe. Russia's largest military transport aircraft, the Antonov An-124, falls short of the C-5M's capabilities. The An-124 has a maximum payload of 150 tons, while the C-5M can carry up to 281,001 pounds, 127.5 tons, of cargo. This substantial difference highlights the USAF's technological superiority in airlift capabilities. Air superiority plays a critical role in modern warfare and global security. The ability to rapidly deploy troops, equipment, and supplies to any location worldwide is crucial for maintaining strategic advantage. The USAF's dominance in this area significantly impacts its overall military effectiveness and global influence. This video will provide a comprehensive exploration of how the USAF has achieved and maintains its position as the world's premier air force, consistently outpacing competitors like Russia. We'll examine the technological innovations, strategic decisions, and ongoing developments that contribute to the USAF's unparalleled air power. The USAF's rise to air supremacy began with a technological revolution. In just a few decades, how did the Air Force transform from a fledgling branch into a global powerhouse that outpaces even Russia? The answer lies in a series of groundbreaking innovations that reshaped aerial warfare forever. The late 1940s marked a pivotal moment in the history of the United States Air Force. As the world emerged from the shadow of World War II, the USAF embarked on a journey of rapid technological advancement that would ultimately secure its position as the dominant force in the skies. This transformation began with the transition from propeller-driven aircraft to jets, a leap that would fundamentally alter the nature of aerial combat. Jet propulsion technology revolutionized air warfare by enabling aircraft to fly faster, higher, and farther than ever before. This development was particularly crucial during the Cold War era, as the USAF sought to maintain a strategic edge over its Soviet counterparts. The introduction of jet-powered aircraft allowed for increased maneuverability, faster response times, and the ability to intercept potential threats more effectively. As the USAF continued to push the boundaries of aviation technology, it made significant strides in other areas as well. The 1970s and 1980s saw the emergence of stealth technology, a game-changing innovation that would once again redefine aerial combat strategies. By allowing aircraft to evade radar detection, stealth technology provided the USAF with an unprecedented advantage in air superiority missions. The effectiveness of stealth technology was dramatically demonstrated during the Gulf War in the early 1990s. The F-117 Nighthawk, one of the first operational stealth aircraft, played a crucial role in achieving air dominance over Iraqi forces. This conflict served as a stark reminder of the USAF's technological superiority and its ability to project power across the globe with minimal risk to its own assets. Throughout its history, the USAF has consistently outpaced its rivals in terms of technological advancements. This relentless pursuit of innovation has allowed the Air Force to establish and maintain a strategic advantage in air warfare capabilities. From the early days of jet propulsion to the development of advanced stealth fighters like the F-22 Raptor, the USAF has remained at the forefront of military aviation technology. The cumulative effect of these technological breakthroughs has been the establishment of the USAF as the world's premier air force, consistently outperforming competitors like Russia. While the Russian Air Force has made efforts to modernize its fleet and develop its own stealth technology, it has struggled to match the pace of innovation set by the USAF. This technological gap has significant implications for global military balance and the ability to project power in potential conflict zones. While stealth fighters grab headlines, true air superiority hinges on a less glamorous factor. How does the USAF maintain its dominance when the battle is thousands of miles away? The answer lies in a flying giant that can deliver an army to any corner of the Earth. The C-5M Super Galaxy, the largest aircraft in the USAF's fleet, stands as a testament to America's logistical prowess and global reach. The C-5M Super Galaxy is a marvel of engineering, designed to transport massive payloads across vast distances. With a maximum takeoff weight of 840,000 pounds and a cruising speed of approximately 593 miles per hour, this aircraft can travel nearly 9,000 kilometers without refueling. This long-range capability allows the USAF to respond swiftly to global crises, projecting power far beyond America's borders. One of the most innovative features of the C-5M is its unique kneeling landing gear system. This technology allows the cargo floor to be lowered to truck bed height, significantly reducing the ramp angle and facilitating the loading of outsized or long wheel-based equipment. This capability is crucial for rapid deployment scenarios, where time is of the essence. The C-5M's versatility extends beyond its loading capabilities. It can take off and land on short runways, including grass surfaces, enhancing its operational flexibility. This adaptability allows the USAF to operate in diverse environments, from established airbases to improvised landing strips in remote locations. The strategic importance of the C-5M lies in its ability to deliver heavy and oversized cargo rapidly. It can carry 2 M1 Abrams tanks, 6 helicopters, or a payload equivalent to 8 standard school buses. This massive capacity is instrumental in maintaining military readiness and responding to global emergencies. When compared to Russia's largest military transport aircraft, the Antonov An-124 Ruslan, the C-5M's capabilities shine even brighter. The C-5M's advanced loading systems, diverse operational environments, and superior payload capacity give the USAF a significant logistical advantage over its potential adversaries. The C-5M's design incorporates a dual-deck fuselage, with the lower deck dedicated to cargo and the upper deck reserved for auxiliary functions. This layout maximizes operational efficiency, allowing for optimal use of space and resources during missions. To ensure operational integrity and reliability, the C-5 Galaxy is equipped with a malfunction detection analysis and recording system. This advanced technology enhances the aircraft's performance and contributes to its overall effectiveness in supporting USAF missions worldwide. As impressive as today's aircraft are, they may soon be relics of a bygone era. The USAF is quietly ushering in a new age of aerial warfare, where human limitations no longer apply. The integration of drones and artificial intelligence is poised to revolutionize air combat in ways that were once confined to the realm of science fiction. The United States Air Force is currently focusing on integrating advanced technologies such as drones and artificial intelligence into its operations. This strategic shift is expected to fundamentally transform the nature of air warfare. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, offer increased operational flexibility and can significantly reduce risks to human pilots, enabling missions in high-threat environments that were previously deemed too dangerous. Artificial intelligence is being leveraged to enhance decision-making processes in air operations. By improving targeting accuracy and mission planning, AI systems can process vast amounts of data in real time, providing pilots and commanders with critical information faster than ever before. This technological edge could prove decisive in future conflicts, where split-second decisions can mean the difference between victory and defeat. The USAF's investment in unmanned systems, including combat drones, is a crucial part of its strategy to maintain air superiority and adapt to future threats. These systems can operate for extended periods without the limitations of human endurance, potentially changing the dynamics of prolonged air campaigns. Additionally, swarms of coordinated drones could overwhelm enemy defenses, presenting a formidable challenge to even the most advanced air defense systems. However, the integration of AI in military applications raises important ethical considerations. The USAF is actively addressing issues of accountability and the potential for autonomous decision-making in combat scenarios. Striking the right balance between technological advancement and ethical responsibility remains a key challenge as these systems become more sophisticated. Beyond the immediate airspace, the USAF is also investing heavily in space technologies. Recognizing the growing importance of space in national security and military operations, The Air Force is developing capabilities to ensure dominance beyond Earth's atmosphere. The integration of space-based assets, including satellite communications and reconnaissance, is essential for maintaining a strategic advantage over potential adversaries. This forward-thinking approach in adopting cutting-edge technologies positions the USAF to maintain air superiority over competitors like Russia for decades to come. By embracing innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible, the Air Force is not just preparing for the future of aerial warfare, it's actively shaping it. The United States Air Force's dominance over rival air forces, including Russia's, stems from its relentless pursuit of technological superiority and strategic innovation. From the transition to jet propulsion to the development of stealth technology and advanced logistics capabilities, the USAF has consistently outpaced its competitors. This commitment to excellence is exemplified by the C-5M Super Galaxy, which has solidified the USAF's role as a heavy lifter for warfighters worldwide. The USAF's ongoing focus on integrating cutting-edge technologies like drones and artificial intelligence ensures its continued air superiority. However, this pursuit of innovation is not without challenges, as integrating new technologies can lead to delays and increased costs. Nevertheless, the USAF's legacy of excellence and adaptability positions it to shape the future of aerial warfare. As one expert noted, the true value of advanced military systems is likely to be in the wars they help prevent, rather than those they wage, highlighting the USAF's critical role in global deterrence and peacekeeping. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into the U.S. Air Force's transformation, hit like and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.